GM, welcome to Roastellar, a social roast battle arena powered by Stellar. We made onboarding simple for both Web 2 newcomers and experienced Web 3 users. So let's get started. At onboarding, user chooses the path that fits them. Create a new wallet through Roastellar or connect an existing Frighter wallet. For Web2 users, there is no need to understand crypto first. Sign up with email or Google, just like any familiar app. Next, complete a quick onboarding challenge. Catch 20 flames before time runs out. It adds a fun first interaction before entering the arena. Once complete, Roastellar creates and funds a Stellar Testnet Arena wallet for the user. Their public wallet address and XLM balance are shown right away. The user is now ready to explore battle, submit roast, vote, predict winners, and track rewards, all from the dashboard. For Web3 user, onboarding is even faster. They select uh, continue with Frighter, the connect Frighter wallet. Roastellar asks the user to approve a secure signature that verifies wallet ownership without exposing private keys. After verification, the wallet becomes the user identity and they enter the same Roastellar arena immediately. Now, after you successfully onboard on Roastellar using your Gmail or Google account, uh, come to the wallet section. You can see your wallet is created and it is already funded. Okay, so this is your wallet address or your public. You can copy this from here. Also, there are other option like you can reveal your secret key. You can copy this secret key and open Frighter, then add wallet, then import secret key, then paste this key. Then you can use this wallet in your Frighter wallet as well. And you can also view your wallet into the blockchain Stellar Explorer. Here you can see your wallet that is created, the time you can see, and the balance it have. Now let's come to the leaderboard. You can see every player that have joined Roastellar here and their performance. They are all real onboarded users. Okay. So at this time, Roastellar have 89 users. Now let's explore the battle feature. So we can see there is a open battle. Let's join this. We can see this will end in 6 days and there are already two vote casted and two players joined. So we can see that two players have joined and they have posted their roast and the battle is currently in voting stage, so we can vote any of them. We can also stake on them. Currently two vote is already casted for this uh, battle, so let's vote for a player. Suppose I vote for this player. And yeah, my vote is casted. and this is the prediction decks. So we can see that somebody already staked on any of the player. We cannot see on whom because these are all confidential. So let's stake on the player we have voted for. We can increase the amount as well. Okay, it is showing that we have already staked on that player. Now let's create our own battle. Enter the topic here, then enter the amount. Both players have to pay this entry fee, and let's select the duration, suppose 3 days, and then create the battle. And yeah, the battle got created and is waiting for opponent. On the right side you can see that I have joined from an another account, and let's join this battle. So now submit the roasts. You can see that a roast is submitted. This user also submitted the roast. Yes, now both the roast are submitted, and now it automatically enter into voting phase. And I have already showed you how to vote or stake in a battle. Now what next after a battle ends? So if we come to our profile, we can see our previous matches in which we have participated. Either we played or we voted or staked. So let's uh, go to this match. We can see a detailed report of the stats of this battle, and two players we can see, and they are what they said, basically their roast submission, also the audience, like the vote polls. That means this player one got 4 votes, and obviously he is the winner, while the player 2 got only 1 vote. Next, come to the uh, payout section. Basically, those players who have staked on players are here. You can see these player have stakes on either players. So these spectator have staked on the winner. So he received the amount. You can also see the transaction details on Explorer, and this player staked on the player who lost, so he lost his all stakings, and so on. This is how this player also backed on player 2 and lost. This player backed on player 1 and won. You can see He staked 25 XLM and got back 43.52 XLM. And this is how things work out. This is a summary kind of for all fund payouts. These four players earn something. So you can see this is the winner of the battle. So he got 200 XLM because the contest entry fee was 100 XLM. So both the player put their 100 and 100 XLM, and this became 200 XLM pool. You can also verify this on the Explorer. Is fund received. You can verify every transactions, and also all the transaction has are there of this particular battle, like battle creation, the players who joined, who submitted roast, every vote, the battle finalization, uh, every transaction has. You can just click on these links and see on the explorers. Now let me show you another feature, that is the share on X. This feature is based on a user feedback. So you can share those battle which you have either voted or staked, or battles you have won. So let me share one of these. Yeah, you can see this, that I can share this. Now let me show you some transaction hashes. This transaction hash is for the battle creation. We can see the create match function is invoked, and we can see the details, the like match ID, created at timing, the creator, the entry fee, and everything. Player 1, player 2 yet not joined, and so on. These are empties. Okay. Then these are players payment, because the player have to pay a entry fee, and these are the transaction hash only. Both have to pay the same amount. Yes, you can see player 1 paid, player 2 also have paid the same amount, that is 100 XLM. You can see. Okay. Now player 2 also joined on chain. What it means? It means that now you can see the player 2 also. Yes, player 1 is this account and player 2 is this is player 2. Okay. Now they submitted their roast, and their roast is saved in IPFS storage, that is on Pinata, and this is the roast hash, transaction hash. Yes, roast 1 is submitted for player 1, and player 2 roast is this is also submitted. You can see the details, every details. Okay. Now these are the votes. I will show you one two votes. Okay. It basically show which spectator vote for which player. Okay. Nothing other than that. So you can see that player one got one vote in the first vote. Now let's inspect the fourth vote. Suppose. This player vote the. I guess this is the second player. Oh no! All are first vote. All player voted the first player till now. I think the last vote is about the. Yeah, I think this is the second player. I think yes, this must be the second player because player two got one vote only from this. Now we can see the battle finalization, means the winner declaration. Yes, finalize match, which is match ID, and everything is like data is calculated, and we can see the final that winner is this player, the player one. Okay, this player is the winner. Now we can see the prediction stake. Yes, the prediction stake calls are basically uh, when a player staked. Okay, you can see this player staked, this spectator staked on player one with 100 XLM. Okay, so we will see that you have paid 100 XLM to our escrow. Okay, and then he received his payout because he did a winning prediction. Oh, this is not a payout transaction. My bad. This is basically the prediction that is stored on chain. So this is how the players predict or like stake. And the first one, like this is the prediction stake, is basically the transaction, like the real XLM transaction hash, and second one is the like just the database update. And now we can see that now we can see the winner takes the prize money, that is $200 because no, sorry, 200 XLM because the indie fee was 100 XLM. And these are three winning spectators who own by doing prediction. You can see previously this player, I will show you now. Wait, actually this player staked 100 XLM and got back 174 point something XLM because he did a winning prediction, and he takes also the losers money. And also these two players have did the winning prediction, and of course they got some extra money. Yes. Yeah, so this was all about the transaction hashes. Now let me show you an advanced feature that I have implemented on Roastellar. You can see this wallet address. This wallet is set as a fee sponsor. This make the transactions on Roastellar gas fee less using the transaction fee bump tick. You can see every fees are sponsored. You can see that every fees.